What's up, everyone? Joshua Oduwaiye here again, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a simple strategy that you can actually use to improve your conversion. So, if you're currently selling a physical product, and this is basically for e-commerce, I'm sure it's also going to work for digital products, but I'm confident of e-commerce because I have tested it using the e-commerce model and it works. So, this strategy I'm going to be showing you is a strategy that is going to help boost your conversions and it's also going to help you get more people to buy your products, right? So, first things first, here is a simple disclaimer. I want you to know that this strategy I'm going to be showing you today is not a strategy that works for everybody. There are certain people that this strategy is not going to work for, okay? And one of those people are people who actually sell fake products that don't work. If you are selling a fake product that doesn't work and you still keep on pushing that product on via Facebook ads or any of the platforms you are trying to advertise on, you're actually doing the wrong thing and it's not right. And this strategy is not going to work for you, okay? So the other person or the other set of group of people that this stuff is not going to work for are also people who have not tested their products in the market. So if you actually have a product idea in your head and you have searched around, maybe you search on AliExpress or one of all those um, Chinese websites and you've gotten the product you want to sell and you actually have not tested the product and you've possibly haven't seen anyone who has actually run ads for that product, this strategy is not going to work for you. All right. So don't bother spending so much time watching this, except you just want to use it later on in the future. All right. So, so quickly, I just want to drop this one here so that you actually know that this strategy I'm going to show you is not a strategy that I just came up with maybe out of thin air. It's a strategy that's actually been working for the big guys in the internet industry. Um, a lot of big guys I know have actually used this strategy, and I remember sometimes last year I had one of my coach who actually was telling me about the strategy, and I actually didn't take it seriously. All right. So when I took it seriously, I actually saw that it improved my conversion and got me more customers to buy my products. All right. And that's why I'm trying to share this with you right here today so that you too can also get a hold of the strategy and use it for your own business, whether it's e-commerce business or it's a digital business. Okay. Now I'm sure you're wondering like what's the strategy this guy is trying to tell us? What is it about? Okay, this strategy is a simple strategy. It's basically social proof, right? So first thing you want to do is you want to ask yourself, why would people buy your stuff, right? And instead of buying from other people that they already know on Instagram, on Facebook, or maybe even people within their local area, all right? You have to ask yourself that question. Like, why should people give you a total stranger their money instead of giving it to those people who they've been following on Instagram or people who they actually have been following on Facebook or maybe people who are in their local areas. Why? All right. So the reason is simple. The one reason, the capital reason why somebody will give a total stranger his money or her money is one simple reason: social proof. People will give you their money if they see that other people have actually given you their money and you have actually given them the results they wanted. So let's take, for example, a doctor. You go to a hospital and you have two doctors who are actually are surgeons who can carry out an operation. So one has actually carried out an operation, has carried out operations, several operations for the past 20 years in the course of his own profession, while the other one is just a fresher, just coming out of medical school and hasn't even carried out one surgery for any patients. And you have the opportunity or you have the privilege to actually choose between these two doctors who should actually operate you if you, let's just take, for example, you have a need to be operated on. So, which of them would you prefer? Would you prefer the one who is just new, fresh out of the medical school, or you prefer that doctor or that surgeon who has actually carried out several surgeries on different people and has been successful in it? I'm sure you go for the surgeon who has actually. I'm sure you actually go for the surgeon who has actually carried out different operations at different times and was successful at it, right? Now, it's simple. The reason why you're going to do that is because you actually have the social proof that this guy has done this stuff before and he has been successful at it. And that's the same thing a lot of customers actually want. A lot of customers want people who have actually sold products to people and the people got results from using that product, right? So that's why people would rather give a total stranger their money instead of giving somebody who they know, who lives within their area, who they've been following on Facebook or on Instagram or any of the social media pages, right? So this is the strategy I'm going to be showing you today. Okay. So at this point now you're probably wondering how does this work? How does the strategy work now that you know it's social proof? So how do you use the social proof, right? Okay, so first thing you want to know is this stuff is going to work for you if you have actually started selling this product before now, before you actually see this video. If you are not selling the product before now, I'll advise you actually sell this product and so that you can get your own personal reviews. Or if you have other people who have actually sold this product, you can actually get their reviews also. All right. So what you want to do is the simple thing you should do is ask for reviews from your customers when they purchase the product from you. Ask for reviews. Now, this the idea is this: some people are going to give you negative reviews, which is okay, it's fine. Not everybody is going to be satisfied from using your product, so you just have to take that with good faith and improve on that. Meanwhile, there are some other people who are going to give you their reviews and it's going to be positive reviews. All right. So, what you want to show to people are actually the positive reviews, not the negative reviews. So, you collect the positive reviews, screenshot them. If possible, you can actually edit them if you like. You can add your company name or your brand name so that other people do not steal them off the internet. And you can then add these same reviews that you have actually screenshotted and add it to your comments for your current running ads. Okay, so you have an ad that is currently running. All you just need to do is to go and copy out the link, paste it on your browser. Once the post is displayed on your browser, go to the comment section and just include the picture. You can add the picture from your PC and you just add a simple comment like, if you are not satisfied or if you don't believe that this stuff actually works, here are live proofs from customers who have used these products. Okay, so that's as basic as it is. You don't have to go there try to convince them. Okay, what you're just trying to do is just show them other people have actually used this stuff and they got results. That's all you're just trying to do. And you can get as many as you want, 4, 5, 10, if possible, and include them in your comment section for your adverts. And I bet you are going to see the improvement in your ads. You're going to see a high. You're going to see the you're going to notice an improvement. You're going to notice skyrockets. You're going to notice the improvement in your ads. You're going to see your ads skyrocket. The results are going to skyrocket to the rooftop. I bet you, if you don't get that kind of results, I bet you to come back and challenge me to that. Okay. So that said, I'm sure some people will be wondering, yeah, there are customers who actually don't like to give the reviews sometimes, like this, like that, a lot of excuses are there. So if you have customers who don't like to give you reviews, what you can actually do is basically just go to your comments for your ads, check people who have used the products. A lot of times people usually argue, oh, I've seen this product, I've tried it before and it worked. And sometimes you get people who also say, oh, I've used this product and it didn't work, right? So you want to focus on the positive parts. Remember, we are talking about how to get more people to buy your products, right? So you don't want to show them those negative parts. So what you can do is just show them, screenshot those parts where customers say, oh, I've tried this product and it works well. Oh, I use this product for my son or my daughter and it helped to do this or do that. Okay. Or you can just, a whole lot of people you're going to get people in your comments engaging and saying they've tried this or they've tried that and they got results. So once you get those positive reviews from those customers via the comment section, you can simply screenshot it and include it in your comments. Okay. The reason why you want to screenshot it separately is because whenever those customers come to your posts or your ads, once they click on the comments, the first comments that shows up are the comments for that particular page. All right, they don't get to see the other customers' comments like immediately. Some of them have to scroll, like maybe till they scroll and read every review, which a lot of customers don't do. So you want to put these reviews, these positive reviews at the top so that immediately they tap to read these reviews, they are going to just see the reviews immediately. Okay, so it's eventually going to get them to be interested in getting the stuff and eventually get them to buy, right? So that's basically how you can actually get this strategy to work for your business. And one more thing before you go, I want you to also understand that this strategy doesn't only work for your Facebook ads, for your Facebook ads only. This strategy can also work for your sales page or your product page. So basically what you're going to be doing is just the same copy out the same reviews, the screenshot of reviews or WhatsApp the screenshot of reviews that you have gotten from your WhatsApp and your Facebook comments, and also include them in your sales page or your product page. Now, the concept or the idea of this thing is that these people are going to believe these comments and these reviews more than those ones that you actually just lie about, or you just frame up from your own head, or you just come off things you just write up from your own head and you paste on your sales page, right? Because they are seeing live people, they are seeing people, real people who have actually bought this stuff and have used this stuff, they have tried it and they got the results they wanted. Okay. So take for instance, you're selling the beauty products and people are seeing other ladies saying that, oh, I tried this stuff and it worked for me. Like, wow, this stuff works very well. So imagine what other ladies will do when they see that kind of stuff. They will rush it. You see them wanting to make order even when they don't have money. You see them wanting to try to see how they can get that stuff because other ladies have said it worked for them. So everybody wants to buy it. The same thing if you sell the car gadgets for men, you sell a car product for men, and people say, oh, this stuff actually helped clean my engine. Now I can drive my car for long and it saves more fuel or it's more economical, stuff like that. Once people see that other people have used this stuff and they've gotten results, forget about it. They are always going to be ready to give you their money in exchange for rates. All right. So this is basically this strategy. All right. And I hope you actually get the understanding of this strategy, right? It's basically you trying to get people to believe that your stuff works and your stuff is the best stuff for them to get and getting them to buy that stuff, all right? So if you found this video valuable, or you so if you found this video valuable, kindly take a minute to do this for me. Kindly hit the subscribe button so that I'll keep on dishing. Kindly hit the subscribe button so that I keep on dropping. Kindly hit the subscribe button so that you keep on seeing valuable videos that you can actually use to skyrocket your sales and conversion for your business, and turn on the notification bell so that you never get to miss any of my posts whenever I drop anyone, right? And turn on the notification bell so that you be the first person to actually get my so that you be the first person to actually get so that you be the first person to get to watch every video I drop on YouTube. Okay. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, and share this video to other people who will also find this video very helpful. So until I come your way next time, peace.